Highlights from IFA Berlin, and the next brand up was Abetap. They were making cameras for bird feeders, for cat feeders. So if you're curious what sort of birds come to your feeder to eat every single day, you can actually capture those photos and identify those birds using the built-in software. Every time a cat or your dog comes to eat, you will get a notification and a photo. It is a very good solution when you leave your pets at home while commuting to the work. They had so many options available there. You can have different colors, different type of those feeders, because not all type of birds will go to the same type of feeder. So for that reason, they have different solutions and different sizes for those feeders. So you can focus on particular bird groups.